Yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's FlowwithFe with another elevated event at the venue. This time, it's Roll a Bouquet, where we have a Valentine's theme puff, paint, and rolling class. In partnership with Shaka for the flower, Bouqe from DC for the rolling papers. We also have Vibez On High for infused pastelillos, Kiki's Touch for infused lemonade. You know we've got Fee's signature CBD Mocktail Bar. So this evening, we have Chris Wolf, a professional roller all the way from New York, coming down to Wilmington, Delaware, to educate our community on how to roll a proper joint. From there, we're going to puff and paint with Kat, the owner of Allie Cattoos Tattoo Studios, located in Valentine, Delaware. This is a unique elevated event, so stay tuned for more.
Hi, it's Kiki with Kiki's Touch Lemonade. I am here at the Puff and Paint, and I have strawberry mango, and it also comes in original THC infused lemonade. Everything is straight organic, made from scratch. I don't use any tincture. Everything is straight up from the kitchen, baby.
Hi guys, it's your girl Saucy Step, and I've got my sister
Keelery season.
and we're here because I am Felicia's CBD bartender, but we're actually the Nasty Work podcast, so we will be interviewing Felicia a little later. But today we do have a CBD infused mocktail. It's a peach Arnold Palmer. You know how it goes down, and the CBD is not like THC. You're not gonna be high, you're not gonna be lit out your mind, you're gonna be relaxed, nice and elevated, and that's why we do it.
What's up, everybody? This is Bouqe Rolling Papers, based out of Washington, D.C., founded in 2017. It's the smoothest papers you'll ever experience. It's all for the culture and community. You can even scan back here, get some content about workouts, yoga videos, whatever you need, we got you. You can follow us at Rolling, ROLLING _ Bouquets, BOUQES. And remember, pass the bouquet.
What's up, man? My name's Cooley. It's my first time at one of these events, and I'm high. My girlfriend here is leading the paint and twist. I'm excited to draw something. I'm not really artistic, but I'm about to find out if I really am or not, you know?
My name is Mac Wando. I'm a DJ, curator, artist, feel me? This is my homie's event, Felicia, 420, How to Roll. I already know how to roll, but some people don't know how to roll, you feel me? It's a beautiful event. I'm here just DJing for my homie. We got vendors here, we got smoke here, and most importantly, we got good vibes here. So definitely make it to the next one.
What's going on, man? It's Strap Life Skizzy. We're here at the Puff and Paint. Puff and Paint, my fault, I'm high. We at the Puff and Paint and learning how to roll good weed and good joints. Valuable information here.
It's a good time. Real good time.
What's up, man? It's boy E from Wilmington. Sitting here at Puff and Paint. Learn how to roll these new drinks. A little flower on the back, nice little decoration, but it actually makes the duck hit a little better.
Hey, it's Lex from Bouqe, Black-owned organic hemp rolling paper company based out of DC, and I'm here today for our puff and paint with Pure Shaka and FlowwithFe, and I'm really excited to see what we're creating today and pass the bouquet.
Come see us at Wilmington, Delaware, Pure Shaka. We got all the loose flour, your pre-rolls, and if you want to get up there, we got some psychedelics for you too, mushroom gummies and chocolate bars. Come see us.
What's going on today? We're here doing the rolling class. We're rolling Bouqe. We got Pure Chakra sponsoring the flower, Organic Tube sponsoring the tip, Chris Wolf on the filter art. And yeah, everybody's rolling up some joints, and we getting some pretty joints out of this class.
It's a vibe. That's a vibe, yeah. It's a vibe. Am I your type?